everyone. I'm Chris Ye, Product Architect for Container Services from Alibaba Cloud. In this video, I would like to show you how to use Kubernetes to build application-centric solution to hybrid cloud. The recent years have seen the hybrid cloud is becoming mainstream. Lifecycle research shows the coming trend of hybrid and multi-cloud. 84% of enterprises are investigating or actively pursuing a multi-cloud strategy. Enterprises get the benefits of handling burstable traffic, building high-availability application architecture, and cost-effective disaster recovery across cloud and on-premises, while they are still facing huge challenges, including inconsistent infrastructure capabilities, inconsistent security management, and complexity in application management. Alibaba Container Services offers application-centric solution based on Kubernetes to address all these challenges. Kubernetes is vendor consistency and provides standardized and declarative APIs, which make it very easy to manage hybrid workloads and migrate application and data across cloud and on-premises. For on-premises Kubernetes clusters, ACK register clusters use a proxy to register all these clusters to Alibaba Cloud, and we offer a managed service mesh for unified traffic management for hybrid workloads. Here comes the first demo. Register cluster and migrate Kubernetes applications to backup and restore. ACK allows users backup and restore applications between on-premises Kubernetes and ACK, leveraging Kubernetes API consistency.
So you can see we have a cluster IDC already registering to the ACK. So we can just initiate a backup from a click create backup IDC every day. So I select a vault, select the namespace IDC. So it means to back up everything from the namespace IDC and enable a schedule. I will back up this one for every day 1.5 at midnight. So just click OK. A periodical backup will happen at 1.5. So the first backup will immediately take. After a few seconds, we can see it's complete and schedule come up. Okay, so after we have a backup into the cloud, then I can go to a cluster running on the cloud in Shanghai region. Yeah, we can see this backup come up in the backup center. So we just try to restore this backup into the online cluster. So we just check nothing application running in the IDC namespace. So we just go to the operation and application backup, go to restore, create a restore task. So restore IDC. Then I just pick up the backup I just take from the IDC cluster, from the on-premise cluster. Click OK. Okay, so the restore task just continue to restore any application into the IDC namespace. It's finished. Let's just check. It's the nginx deployments come up and running in the IDC.
Let's move on to the second demo, multi-cluster traffic management with ASM service mesh. Alibaba application-centric solution to hybrid cloud leverage ASM service mesh for traffic management for any Kubernetes clusters from Alibaba Cloud, Edge, on-premises, and other clouds.
We leverage ASM to manage traffic for both cluster. So let's just give a demo here. Okay, we just go to the dashboard of ACK, or click the multi-cluster application center. So already a deployment application here. We can see this booking for application running over the Shanghai city cluster, or also running on the Hangzhou edge cluster. So for this application, you can see just a mashup application that running on both sides. Okay, so we can take a look at the service mesh thing. So we already create an ASM instance. This instance already manage two cluster over there. It's one is on the edge, one is on the ACK cloud. So you can see this Shanghai cluster. This is edge cluster. So for traffic management here, so we can just change some traffic shifting here from we use this kind of thing. You can see we deployed the 3 version of the review microservice. We have different weight for the different version. We also can control the traffic route over there. So we just show you we can just distribute the traffic from Shanghai into the Shanghai and Hangzhou region. So after we have this cancel of the changes, so we can take a look the traffic look like. We can using the tracing service on Alibaba to see how the connection and the traffic on the for this microservice. We also can leverage the monitoring capability here to drill down to this sub application. We can drill down the detail microservice to see how traffic between each microservice. At the end, so we also can leverage some Kali tools to see we can manage the traffic on the 2 cluster. The left one is a cluster on the cloud. The right one is a cluster on the edge. We can see the traffic has been split into the different cluster. If any service running on the edge is down, so the traffic will be automatically routing to the cloud service. So no zero downtime for the service.
In the last 2 demos we have seen, the Alibaba Container Services can manage containers on Alibaba Cloud, other clouds, and on-premises. With ACK application-centric disaster recovery, applications across hybrid clusters can be backed up and restored with declarative Kubernetes API and can be easily managed with Alibaba Cloud Service Mesh. Thanks for watching. Have fun with Alibaba Cloud.